morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold rose as the US dollar eased, with market participants bracing for the upcoming Jackson Hole Symposium, while minutes revealed that Federal Reserve dissenters appeared alone in favoring a rate cut at the July meeting. Wall Street's main indexes fell, with a sell-off in tech stocks driving the Nasdaq to a two-week low as caution prevailed ahead of the Federal Reserve's highly anticipated Jackson Hole Symposium this week. China, one of the most restrictive global jurisdictions for cryptocurrencies, is reportedly considering allowing Chinese yuan-backed stablecoins in what would be a major policy reversal. Chinese authorities may authorize yuan-backed stablecoins for the first time to promote global use of its currency. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.